Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Counsel explains that it appears that the respondent authorities have misconceived the mutual transfer of the petitioner as being a transfer within the state, whereas the petitioner's transfer, though mutual, is from one state to another in the same cadre. Stop. Learned Counsel contends that the decision of the Personal Administrative Reforms and Rajbhasha Department, Government of Jharkhand, vide its letter dated 19/7/2008, cannot therefore apply to the case of the petitioner. Para. Learned Counsel further argues that under the provisions of Section 72 within bracket 2 of the Bihar Reorganization Act 2000, the central government is the only competent authority to decide the allotment of services to the employees of the erstwhile state of Bihar between the two successor states. Stop. The provisions of Section 73 of the Bihar Reorganization Act 2000 provides that the condition of service applicable immediately before the appointed date in case of any person deemed to have been allotted in the state of Bihar under Section 72 of the Bihar Reorganization Act 2000 shall not be varied to his disadvantage except with the prior approval of the central government. Stop. Learned Counsel argues further that the allotment of the Jharkhand cadre to the petitioner was made by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance, Pension and Training Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India, under a special provision for mutual transfers, and this was done without affecting the service conditions of the mutually transferred government servants. Para. A counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondents. Stop. The stand taken by the respondents is that the petitioner had accepted his mutual transfer with the stipulation that no claim of seniority will be accepted, as mentioned in the Home within bracket Special Department's letter number 16643 dated 9/12/2006 and the relieving order dated 23/12/2006 issued by the Department of Personnel, Government of Bihar. Para. Shri M. K. Malik, Senior Standing Counsel, would argue that the petitioner, having once accepted his mutual transfer along with the condition that no claim of seniority will be accepted, the petitioner cannot now claim his original seniority. Stop. Learned Counsel adds further that the petitioner was allotted the Jharkhand cadre on mutual transfer much after the final cadre division of the government servants between the two states. Stop. The gradation list of 1999 was that of the officers of the undivided state of Bihar, and therefore the petitioner cannot claim his seniority on the basis of such gradation list. Stop. Learned Counsel argues further that the petitioner has wrongly interpreted the notification dated 23/12/2006 issued by the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms, Government of Bihar, by stating that the condition regarding the seniority was only limited to inter-se seniority between him and his colleague Mr. Kamaldev Sharma. Stop. The aforesaid notification was actually an order relieving the petitioner from his office in Bihar, and the only interpretation to the condition which could be made is that the petitioner on his transfer to Jharkhand cannot claim his seniority on the basis of the gradation list of 1999 and shall be guided for all purposes by the gradation list prepared by the state of Jharkhand. Over.